GMO makes plants and animals give more useful products, for example, tomatoes that last longer or better milk from cows. GMO is mostly found in developed areas as they can afford to do this process, as GMO costs as much as $100 per acre. They also need to farm for a generally bigger population, and so the larger quantities of food are a plus. GMO farming is found in first world countries like the US and Western European countries. Without knowing it, many people consume genetically modified products each day because of a lack of consistent labeling and diverse culture leading to many combinations of foods. There are many major impacts of GM crops on society. The chemicals released from the GMOs leak into water pipes and cause major birth defects to those who eat it frequently, and it can cause severe health issues leading to death. It kills the trees and animals and can drastically harm the surrounding area. As well as environmental effects, the economy is also hurt. Since it is so expensive to farm GMOs and is sold for so cheap at markets, profits are minimal. It also stretches to religious and ethnic beliefs. Because of this, many people can't eat these foods due to beliefs on how all food must be completely natural. Finally, GMOs can even potentially hurt people. If a tomato, for example, is genetically modified to have some beneficial genes of a peanut, it can contain the bad allergic reaction causing aspects of the peanut as well. The most efficient method to minimize the problem would be to teach farmers how to maximize food output using all natural methods. This would be the least costly and best method because labeling every single item sold in stores would be almost impossible, and so what happens during GMOs. After learning to effectively produce their crop, the farmers would use their knowledge to continually grow large amounts of completely organic plants. These could be then sold for much more than the GMOs because of their added value and demand. A surplus of natural foods and a decline in GM ones would have many added benefits. The economy, environment, and society would become a lot better if we left GMOs and went to all natural foods. As Clement students, we can all make a difference by simply planting a vegetable. We will be selling cheap seeds to different plants, and once that plant produces ripe vegetables, we would send the vegetables over to places where GMOs are highly used and let them taste the difference. The seeds would be all natural, as that is what we are trying to promote, and we would make sure nobody genetically modifies the plant or use harmful chemicals on it, as that is what we're trying to avoid. This would help many people see that natural is all better than GMOs, and we need to change to all natural food. In addition, if we get enough support from students and staff members, we will be able to send our organic crops to the market to be sold to anyone that chooses natural over GM.